answer math equations correctly.
Well, I don't know math. I don't know math.
I'm gay, I don't know math.
Me too. Are you a homosexual?
A what?
Are you a
A
homosexual?
homosexual.
Wait, did you see it when you did it with the Island Boys?
Yeah.
Oh my god. And they took it seriously. Like they don't get it. They're so stupid. What's up, boy? How are you? I'm just gonna run in like this, y'all, from the whole match.
I'm gonna be Za. How are you?
Oh, just kidding. Oh, juicy. Meow for heals. Come back.
He got me.
Oh.
46 on breach and.
But this gun though.
I'm concussed. I'm concussed.
Not the concussy. Doggy style, doggy style. No.
Oh, they're all there. Never mind. Show me how
Five stop, five stop.
Yeah, oh, they call us flawless.
That was really good.
Yeah.
They called us flawless. Did she just say she needs a gym buddy?
Hey.
That's funny. Johnny's looking too.
Not for that reason.
That's later, that's later. I can cardio and you know.
Pro tip, heal your teammates before they die. Oh, fuck, that's where I fucked up. I fucked up.
Okay.
This is for you, girl, because I know you're going to need it.
Thanks.
I'm running with it. I'm running with it. Go, 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 go,
I'm
go.
just gonna dash in again. I'm just gonna dash in
You won't
again,
do it. You
bro.
won't do it. Go, 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 go. I'm right behind you. I'm right behind you. I did it, though! Oh, man. Shit. Okay, now we have real guns. It's good. It's good. I'll be here with more pro Valorant strats. Thank you. Claros, are you part of Sentinels?
I was invented the game.
That's right. I forgot.
Following you, Johnny.
I don't know this map that much.
Right, Clara.
Pro tip: do not reload directly in front of 3 enemies. Good thing I didn't do that. Who did that?
Not me. I was planting.
I kind of did.
Oh, you did? Oh.
I've seen 2 people.
I got him. He's concussed. Flashing backside.
Oh,
Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck.
I got flash.
I'm switching my crosshair.
It's right here.
Shit, bitch. We're fucked. Look at me. Look at me in the eyes. We're fucked. Please don't
Surely
peek.
they'll expect 1 of you, but not 2 of you.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
What size? You want size or what's the size?
Oh! Why me? Oh, man. He shot you in your cookie hole.
You want some cookie dough?
What's up, Meg? Meg, how long is the Phoenix in the shop? Because I